All right, guys, it's time for another F&M Exteriors video. So today we're going out to Fond du Lac. My old boss is kind enough to let us do some work for him. So yeah, but first we got to feed these guinea pigs and get out of here. And we have a special guest today. You'll see her after we feed the guinea pigs and then get out of here. So bye. If anyone knows a trick, I'm trying to turn these guinea pigs into free range guinea pigs. So leave it down in the comments below.
The business has failed.
All right, guys, so Kai's here. Kai. So we're going to work with Kai today. And Nate Vogue.
F&M Exteriors is no more.
We're gonna go spank this new construction right in the mouth. All right, guys, we are here. It's a pretty big new construction and we're ready. Nate doesn't know what a saddle is.
What you ride a horse on.
All right, guys, so Kai is mad that she can't go on the roof. So Nate's gonna shovel. I'm gonna start drying in this one area. All right, guys, so this is it. I'm working on drying this in. It's about 35 square. Kai's going nuts. All right, guys, Nate's shoveling it off. We're waiting on material. We're gonna start drying in that valley over there until further notice. But yeah, it's going good. They messed up the order a little bit, so we gotta wait on some stuff from Danny. Nate. All right, Nate's getting rid of the ice. But I'm gonna felt this. Nate felted this. We're doing a half lap on this. I'm gonna have Nate shovel off that back. All right, guys, so we got Kai on the roof. She's a roofer.
Are you on the roof?
Are you on the roof, Kai? Welcome to... All right. Dude, we're making Danny look stupid. Yeah, we don't like that stuff either.
We both like to walk down in Shelby Park. You hold my hand at bedtime, you know my favorite wine. This is why we work, why it's you and I. You bring me coffee in the morning, roast it with a love and love. We both like to dig it on a Sunday night. You know just when to kiss me, you know I don't like whiskey. This is why we work, why it's you and I. Dancing in the moonlight, girl, you bring the sun out. This is why we work, why it's you and
All right, guys, we got a decent amount dried in. We're gonna go take lunch. You ready, Kai? Lunch? All right, guys, just got back from lunch. We're gonna finish drying this in, and I'm gonna get all the metal on. But yeah, here we go. All right, guys, our little roofer over there is all tuckered out, but we almost got it all dried in. We ran 3 rows of ice water because that's where the porch ends. So yeah, we just got this, and we'll probably put all the metal on, and that's about it. Truck, Nate.
Dog on roof.
Roofer.
Roof.
All right, guys, so about 5 hours later, it took us to dry it in. 7 rolls of ice and water, 3 rolls of felt. Yeah, we're gonna put all the metal on. Truck. All right, guys, we're gonna put all the metal on the whole place. All right, guys, I'm just showing you something. So wherever 2 roofs come together at a 45, this is what we do. We take the metal and I leave a little tab right here because some people just butt them. The next piece we will butt, but now there's no hole right here. So it's just a little trick that we do. And then I let these hang. They're gonna be W valleys on this house. So it's a little less, it doesn't matter as much, but I just do it the same way every time. But now if you look close, there is no hole. Some people will just butt both of them, and you can see right behind it, we leave this little flap and it looks clean. That's all. What about Cedar Shake Road? All right, guys, we're done for the day. I got caulk on my mouth because W valleys, they take a lot of tar. But anyways, I'm Lance Armstrong.
I'm Nate. Hi.
And thanks for everyone for subscribing. We are about 200 away from 7K, so let's get this stuff up. Pause up, buddy. Thumbs up and pause up. Have a good night, everyone.